Are you tired of using Simvoly for your business? Are you looking for lifetime deal alternative? Look no further. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the ultimate Simvoly alternative that will revolutionize the way you do business. With its powerful features and affordable price point, you won't regret making the switch. Join me as I explore this amazing alternative and see for yourself why it's the perfect choice for your business needs. Welcome to our video on clixlo, the ultimate all-in-one sales and marketing solution for businesses of all sizes. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at clixlo and what it can offer to help you grow and manage your online business effectively. First things first, what exactly is clixlo? Simply put, it's a comprehensive platform that offers a wide range of premium tools, software, resources, and assistance to help businesses scale with funnels and automation. Whether you need to send one-time or recurring invoices, manage subscriptions, accept payments online or in person, or anything in between, clixlo has got you covered. You can easily connect to your bank account in minutes and seamlessly integrate with Stripe and PayPal to get paid easier and faster. From recurring to one-time to trial payment plans to one-click upsells, clixlo does it all. But that's not all. clixlo offers over 25 tools in one software, making it a truly all-in-one solution for your sales and marketing needs. From email marketing and social media management to CRM and analytics, you'll have everything you need to run and grow your business in one place. And if you're worried about the cost of all these premium tools and resources, you'll be happy to know that clixlo is affordable and easy to use. In fact, if you're currently paying more than $45 per month for software, you may be overpaying. With clixlo you'll get all the features you need at a fraction of the cost. But don't just take our word for it, check out some of the reviews and testimonials from satisfied users on YouTube and other platforms. Many users have praised clixlo for its simplicity, effectiveness, and value for money. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're an affiliate marketer, business owner, coach, or anyone else who wants to grow and manage their online business effectively, clixlo is the perfect solution for you. Sign up today and start experiencing the benefits for yourself.